In the grand scheme of things, how much of the Earth do we actually know? Maybe 10%? Maybe 20%? What if I told you that the entire landmass of Earth only takes up 29% of the planet's surface? It's true. Oceans, seas, lakes, and other bodies of water cover the remaining 71%. To be honest, the vastness of the Earth is difficult to comprehend. We keep coming across stats that make us realize just how little we know about our planet. But today, we bring you 10 such stats that reveal Earth's biggest secrets, including the number of forests, islands, and volcanoes on the planet. Welcome to my channel. It's time to test out your knowledge. No. 10. Earth's total surface. Let's start with the basics before we get too complicated. First off, how big is Earth? To put it into perspective, the planet's total surface area is about 510 million square kilometers. There are 24 time zones on Earth. Earth's circumference at the equator is 40,075 kilometers. If we assume you can run at a speed of 17.5 kilometers per hour, it would take you 40 days. 14 hours and 18 minutes to circle the planet. On average, Earth is about 12,742 kilometers wide. All of this is to say that Earth is humongous. Now, out of the total surface area of the planet, oceans cover about 71%, and the rest, just under 30%, is land. In fact, if you were to lay all of the Earth's landmass flat, it would fit into one of the world's oceans with plenty of room to spare. Number 9. Land division by continents. Now, let's take a closer look at the land portion of Earth. Remember, this is just 29% of the planet's total surface. Now, how is this divided amongst the 7 continents of the world? Spoiler alert, Asia takes the lion's share of the land. Here's a breakdown. Asia, 44.58 million square kilometers to 30% of total land Africa. 30.37 million square kilometers to 20% North America. 24.71 million square kilometers to 16.5% South America. 17.84 million square kilometers to 12% Antarctica. 14 million square kilometers to 9.4% Europe. 10.18 million square kilometers to 6.8% Australia. Oceania. 8.56 million square kilometers to 5.7%. As you can see, Asia alone makes up nearly 1/3 of all dry land on Earth. Number 8. World's forest cover. Forests are the lungs of the Earth. They play a key role in maintaining the balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So it's important that we understand the extent of forest coverage on the planet. Approximately 31% of Earth's land is covered in forests. This comes up to around 4 billion hectares. And while this may sound like a lot, it's actually decreasing every year due to deforestation. Here's how forests are distributed by continent. South America, 842 million hectares. Europe, 1.02 billion hectares. North America, 751 million hectares. Africa, 624 million hectares. Asia, 593 million hectares. Oceania, 191 million hectares. The Amazon rainforest alone covers more than 5.5 million square kilometers. Number 7. Total islands on Earth. How many islands are there on Earth? Believe it or not, scientists believe that there are over 900,000 islands worldwide. The word island itself refers to a mass of land that is completely surrounded by water and is smaller than a continent. Islands come in all shapes and sizes. For example, the world's largest island, Greenland, is more than twice the size of Brazil. Yet some islands are so tiny they are invisible on most maps. In fact, the exact number of islands on Earth is unknown because no single international authority maintains a complete list of all the islands. Additionally, new islands can form and existing ones can disappear due to natural processes like volcanic activity, erosion, and rising sea levels. Despite the challenges in determining their exact number and size, islands play a crucial role in Earth's biodiversity and a home to a wide variety of plants and animals that are found nowhere else in the world. Number 6. World's volcano count. Volcanoes are fascinating geological formations that have shaped the Earth's surface and played a significant role in the planet's history. According to the Smithsonian Institution's Global Volcanism Program, Earth has around 1,350 potentially active volcanoes. Of these, around 500 have erupted in recorded history, meaning within the past 10,000 years. About 130 volcanoes erupt each year, often causing massive disruptions to human activity. Volcanoes are most commonly found along the Pacific Ring of Fire, which stretches from New Zealand to Japan, through the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia, and then continues south along the western coasts of North and South America. The reason there are so many volcanoes in this region is that it is located on the edge of several tectonic plates that frequently collide and cause volcanic activity. However, volcanoes can also be found in other parts of the world, such as the Mediterranean and the Caribbean. Number 5. Deepest Ocean Trench. The deepest ocean trench on Earth is the Mariana Trench located in the western Pacific Ocean. It stretches for over 2,500 kilometers and reaches a maximum depth of approximately 11 kilometers, also known as the Challenger Deep. This trench was formed as a result of the collision between two tectonic plates, the Pacific Plate and the Philippine Sea Plate. It's so deep that if you were to drop a bowling ball into it, it would take over 8 minutes to reach the bottom. The extreme pressure and temperature at the bottom of the trench creates a unique environment that is home to a variety of unusual marine species. Number 4. Highest mountain undersea. Would you like to stand atop the tallest mountain on Earth? Well, if you're willing to go underwater, you can visit the highest mountain on the planet, which happens to be located beneath the sea. Mount Everest, which stands at a height of 8,849 meters above sea level, is the tallest mountain on Earth. However, Mount Chimborazo in Ecuador rises 6,263 meters above sea level and extends 5,550 meters underwater. So it's technically taller than Mount Everest. Number 3, largest lake. The world's largest lake by area is the Caspian Sea, which spans over 370,000 square kilometers. It is located in Central Asia between 5 countries: Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Azerbaijan, and Iran. However, the world's largest freshwater lake by volume is Lake Baikal in Siberia, Russia. This lake contains approximately 23% of the world's unfrozen surface freshwater. Number 2, tallest waterfall. If you love watching movies featuring Angelina Jolie and Johnny Lee Miller, you probably already know about the tallest waterfall in the world. Yes, we're talking about Angel Falls in Venezuela. Located in the Canama National Park, Angel Falls descends from a height of 979 meters, making it the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall. The water cascades over the edge of a sandstone cliff and creates a cloud of mist that can be seen from miles away. Number 1, longest river. Last but certainly not least, the longest river in the world is the Nile River in Africa. It stretches over 6,650 kilometers and flows through 11 countries, starting in Ethiopia and emptying into the Mediterranean Sea. The Nile River has been an important waterway for trade and transportation throughout history, and is considered to be the cradle of human civilization. We hope you enjoyed this journey through some of the most amazing facts about our planet. From the tallest mountain under the sea to the longest river in the world, Earth is full of surprises. So don't forget to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you loved this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. And if you're still thirsty for knowledge, we've got more videos on our channel that are sure to satisfy your curiosity. So click away, and who knows, you might just learn something that will blow your mind. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring